Although it is important to generate high volumes of traffic to a website, it is important for this traffic be targeted such that the people who visit your website are likely to buy the services and products you offer on your website. Since promoting your website can take some effort and money, you don't want to just anyone to visit your site. Instead, you only want people who would be interested in what you have to offer. This video outlines how you can build a steady stream of visitors to your website who are targeted and likely to bring you sales. 1. Know your target customers and make sure that all your advertising campaigns are targeted at these customers. This means that you must use all the necessary keywords which define your potential customers in all your advertising campaigns. If you are using Google AdWords, your advert must specify the targeted customers. If you are writing articles as a way of promoting your website, your articles must contain the keywords for your niche. 2. List your website with top search engines and directories in categories that suit your niche. If your website is about selling products or services that relate to making money online, for example, get your website listed under this category on relevant websites. This means that people who are looking for this specific information that relate to your website will easily find your website. 3. Advertise your website in relevant forums and online groups. The more you know about your potential customers, the better you will know where to find them. This means you can go to the relevant forums or online groups where your customers are, and you can advertise your website there through having your website URL in your signature when you make posts in these forums. People in forums that related to your niche are targeted customers who have high potential to buy from your website. 4. Write articles that are rich with your keywords. Your articles get picked up and published by many websites, e-zines and directories. You can therefore quickly have thousands of backlinks pointing to your website. It is therefore important that all your articles have several of your keywords so that when people type these keywords on search engines while looking for information, your website comes up and ranks high on these search engines. This drives targeted traffic to your website. 5. Use your own e-zine and other related e-zines to advertise your website. By publishing your own e-zine, you already have many prospects who are interested in what you have to offer. Make sure that your e-zine has new content and gives away some free report or e-books to your subscribers. Make sure that your website URL is added in all your e-zine publications. Identify other e-zines with a readership that matches your target niche market and advertise your website in these e-zines. 6. Research and look for other websites where your target customers visit and inquire about advertising your website on these websites. 7. Provide fresh, unique and useful content on your website. People go online to look for information and also buy what they need. It is therefore important for you to have high quality and unique content on your website so that visitors to your website will spend more time on your website, bookmark your website and also buy from you. In addition, if you have lots of useful information on your website, you will be considered as an expert in your niche, and you will therefore easily get customers. 8. Optimize your website for search engines. In order for your site to be found on the search engines when people are looking for information, make sure that your niche keywords and phrases are in your headlines and in the rest of the content on your website. This means that your website will show up and will rank high when people look for those keywords on your website, and this will drive more traffic to your website. 9. Drive traffic to your website using PPC, pay-per-click advertising. If you have the money to pay for the advertising, you can run an advert with Google AdWords or Yahoo Overture to drive traffic to your website. 10. Write and submit articles. This is a very powerful tool for driving traffic to your website. In all your articles, make sure you have a resources box or author's biography which will your website's URL. After reading your article, people will want to visit your website, so the more articles you write, the more traffic you will drive to your website. 11. Participate in targeted forums. This is one of the most effective ways of driving traffic to your website. Make useful posts in the forums that are related to your niche, and have your website link in your signature. 12. Use viral marketing to drive traffic to your website. Write free e-books or short reports with a link to your website. Have a link to your website on your blog and on any press release that you write. These will drive traffic to your website. 13. Use video marketing to drive traffic to your website. You can create a video about your product or service that you offer on your website and post that on YouTube. Add your website link on that video, and this will make sure that people who view your video will also visit your website. The tools can help you generate targeted traffic to your website. If you want to increase your conversion rate and boost your sales, you need to have targeted visitors on your website. For any online business to succeed, it is important to have traffic on that website. Without traffic, a website will not make any sales and the online home business will fail. It is therefore important that you know how to drive traffic to your website. You can drive traffic to your website on any budget, and this article outlines all the essential ways through which you can drive traffic to your website. By following these tips, you can drive a lot of traffic to your website, boost your sales and grow your online business profits. If you want to have done every hard work for you and you only have to follow the things I say which are proven to work, check the links in the description below, and for any question let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching.